Right now, without feeling a thing, you are moving. At the equator, the ground beneath your feet is racing east at about 1,670 kilometers an hour, faster than a passenger jet. You don't feel it, because everything moves together: the ground, the air, the oceans, and you. But what if the ground alone stopped for just 1 second? First, the honest part. An instantaneous stop is not physically possible. Nothing could halt a planet in a single second. This is a thought experiment, a way to feel the forces we live inside every day. And that speed isn't the same everywhere. It's highest at the equator and falls to nothing at the poles. So let's stand at the equator, where the numbers are largest, and stop only the solid Earth. The rock stops. You don't. Everything not bolted to bedrock keeps its momentum. Cars, trees, buildings, people, the air itself hurled sideways at the speed the planet was turning. It would feel less like an earthquake and more like the whole world was fired from a cannon. In an instant, every unanchored thing becomes a projectile moving faster than sound. The damage wouldn't stay local. It would race outward as a wall of debris and pressure, tearing across the surface from west to east. Coastlines, cities, mountains, none of it built to survive a sideways blow of this scale. And the ground is only the beginning, because the ocean and the sky never got the message to stop. The atmosphere keeps moving at full speed. A global wind of over 1,000 kilometers an hour, scouring the land, friction setting the sky aglow. The oceans surge the same way, gathering into mega tsunamis that cross entire basins. Water and air, still carrying the momentum the ground just lost. Within minutes, the sky darkens. Dust and storm spread across continents, and the daylight dims. This is the scale of energy we sit on quietly, every single day. Energy so smooth and so shared that we mistake it for stillness. And then, the twist. If the Earth stopped for 1 second, it would also have to start again. And a restart is a second shock in the opposite direction. The forces don't cancel, they compound. The lesson isn't the destruction, it's the motion you never notice. 1,670 kilometers an hour, carrying you gently through the dark. A balance so perfect that a single second of stillness would be the most violent event the planet has ever known. So the next time the ground feels solid and still, remember how fast you're really moving.